Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to fix a TikTok video under review. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing you want to do here is you want to open up your TikTok application and you want to go to your profile. Now in here, if you've posted any video at the moment and you see the video under review, then that video might have went against, or it actually goes against TikTok's terms of use. So you might want to recheck your video and re-upload again. So for you to delete your video, you want to open up that video here and you want to click on the three dotted icon that you see at the bottom right of your screen. And from here, you just need to look for the option for you to delete that. So at the very right, you'll see the delete button. Just click on that. It's going to ask you if you want to delete. Just click on delete. And from here, you just need to revisit your video and see if that actually goes against the TikTok's terms of use. So that includes any nudity or false information and anything about or something about that specific topics. Now from there, you just need to re-upload your video, and that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.